Hello there. Welcome back to the call Medical Literacy. In this video, I want to look at a common test of March 2022. So we are going to look at question 2 of that question paper that we're going to start on 2.1. So our question reads, Annexure A shows the credit card statement of Mr. Mtuli. Study the statements on Annexure A and answer the following question. So on the first part of the question, say interpret the balance brought forward amounts for these statements. So we see that this is our credit card statement for Mr. D. Tully, and this is our next year A. So this is the information that we have according to the credit card statement. So in terms of balance brought forward, according to our question 1, we have our balance brought forward is negative 50.41. So basically that's what we have. Then if you refer back to our question, you see that it says interpret the balance brought forward amount for this statement, this balance. So obviously, the meaning of that balance is a negative. It represents that Mr. Mtuli overpaid by 50 rand 41 cents. Or alternatively, we can interpret it as the bank owes Mr. Mtuli 50 rand 41 cents. So basically, on the other section now, we just want to summarize that on 2.1.1, whereby we are saying Mr. Mtuli overpaid by 50 rand of what was said. So basically, we can just describe it like that. Then we go to the next part of question 2.1.2. Then the reason why some digits from the account number have been left out in the statement. So we try to refer there and see those digits that have been left out. So you see that we are here. Then we are seeing that we have got some digits that have been left out. So what's the reason for this? So obviously, it is to protect the client from being a victim of fraud. So that can be a reason. Well, basically, we can just describe it as the protection of personal information. So that's how we are going to present it on our answer section. We can just say to protect the client from being a victim of fraud. So that's what we have there. Because they refer to the next question that we have. 2.1.3 reads Croxley Bank uses the formula below to calculate credit card withdrawal. Credit card withdrawal fees are verified using the formula if the correct withdrawal fee was charged. That is, the formula is ATM withdrawal fees equals to 2 rand per 100 rand or part thereof. So basically, that's what we have. So we are saying on part thereof, we are saying if the amount that we have, if we got an extra amount that is below 100, we can just charge it 2 rand. So basically, that's what we have. So we go to our statement, and we are trying to verify when we withdraw. We'll try to see where we have to withdraw. We see that if we go down, we see that we have got a withdrawal that is here, a withdrawal that we are having here. So here we have got a withdrawal. So we are saying the amount that the total amount of withdrawal is 350, and you want to see if the withdrawal fee that has been charged is 8 rand, is it justifiable? So basically, we are going there, and we are going to our answer section, and we are saying on 2.1.3, we have 350 rands that we want to see. But if you try to break it there, you'd see that if we remove we divide by 100. Remember, the information that we are given reads 2 rands per 100 rands. So you want to see how many 100 rands are inside 350. So you divide by 100, 350 divided by 100, you're going to get your 3.5. So basically, we are saying we have 3 full 500. Sorry, we have got 3 full 100 rands, 3 full 100 rands, and then we have 0.5 of 100 rands. So basically, that's what we have. So in that case now, we can see that every 100 rands is being charged 2 rand. So obviously, we are now saying our our 3 full, we are multiplying it by 2 rand, which means we are going to get we are going to get 6 rand. And then we add 0.5 of 100 rands, which means this one is 50 rand. 0.5 of 100 rands will give you 50 rand. So what we are saying is uh, we got there in terms of instruction that we are given that a part thereof, we are saying any extra amount that is below 100 is also charged 2 rand. So basically, on our other section, we are saying this 50 rand, we get it as 2 rand. So we add another 2 rand. So the final amount that we are going to get is 8 rand. So if we go to our question, you see that is we want to verify. And by verifying on our statement, is showing that it's supposed to be 8 rand, which is correct. So we can just summarize and believe that by saying, here now we are saying, the correct fee. Oh, we can just say therefore, the correct fee, the correct fee was charged. So we have correctly presented in terms of proving that the 8 rand that has been charged is correct. So we go to the next part of our question, which is 2.1.4. Use the transaction details to show with calculations how the closing balance amounted to 28,135. 28,135 rands, 76 cents. So we just want to go to our calculations and try to prove as such. So we're going to our statements. We see that in terms of our, if you go to our question, we'll try to see. So the formula that we are going to use there on that part, which is 2.1.4, we are going to find the total credit. We are going to find the total credit. We are just going to say the total debit, and then we subtract total credit. So basically, you can start by finding the total. We can start by finding the total credit that we have. So we are saying total credit. So we go to the statement and try to see in terms of total credit. Remember, we have for the total credit, we have got negative 500, and we also have negative 50.41, and we also have negative 2.50. So these three, we can just combine them and try to see what we get. So on the other section, we are saying negative 50.1, negative 50.41, and just remember to confirm, we've got negative 50.41 plus negative 500. So we are saying plus negative, we have negative 500 plus negative 500, and then also we are supposed to hit. We try to get back again. We've got the last one, which is negative 2.50. 2.50. So we say plus negative 2.50. So we get it in that sense, and you see that the answer that you're going to get is going to be the answer that you get is going to be equal to negative 552 .91, which is 552 rands and 91 cents. So basically that's what we get. Then we try to now to find the one for total debits. So we are saying total debits, whereby we refer to our statement we've got for debits. For debits, we have got 350. We have 350. We also have 8 rands. We also have 18,503. And we also have 9,800, 18,503, 49 cents and you've got 9,827 rands 18 cents. So we just combine the four figures that we've just highlighted there. So on the answer section, we are saying the figures that we have. Remember, we said 350, and then we are adding 18,503 49 cents. So honestly, that's what we have. And then 18,503 rands are 49 cents. If you refer back, you see that this is the figure that we are having here. And then we can pick again 9,827 rands, 9,827 and 827 rands 18 cents. So here we are saying plus 9,827 18 cents, and we also add our 8 rand. So we've got also 8 rand that we can also include there. So if you add there, you see that you're going to get a total of 28,688,000. So 28,688 and then 67 cents. So this becomes your total for your total debits. So basically we are saying this one is our total credit and this one becomes the total debit. So from there, we can now be able to say the closing balance. We are saying the total debit that we have is 28,688 67 cents. Then we subtract our 552 91 cents. So we have got 552 rands 91 cents. So we calculate it within that context and see that final answer that you're supposed to get there becomes 28,135 rands, and then we have got 76 cents. So this becomes a final answer. So this is the same figure that we are proving. If you go back to the question, it's saying prove it's 20,135 rands 76 cents. This is exactly the amount that we have here. So it means that's what we have. So this is what we have according to this video. So thank you for listening. Let's not forget to subscribe and share. Let's meet again in the next video. As for this video, I'm signing out.